This video will provide instructions on how to set up and use the database file structure within Trigno Discover. Trigno Discover 2.0 introduces a new database system for file management and storage. This allows for all Trigno data to be stored, tagged, and filtered within Trigno Discover. Upon opening Trigno Discover 2.0 for the first time, the software will provide a prompt to convert any previously collected Trigno Discover data to the database system. Accepting this option will copy all previous data into the new database structure and will preserve all trial metadata, including file properties and tags. To access the currently selected database, navigate to the cog icon and open the Database tab. A default database will have been created, and this is where all data will be natively stored. To create a new database, select the button which will open a new pop-up window. Insert the name of the new database. Select a file location and add a description for the database. Press Create Database and then select the newly created database within the list. Choose the Select Database button to swap over to the new database. Existing databases can also be edited or deleted by using the buttons at the bottom of the box. Deleting the database will also delete all the associated trial data that was stored within it. The database structure allows for data to be tagged, which enables filtering and searching of trials to be performed in the Review tab. When setting up a new data collection, tags can be added within the Trial Settings panel. Tags can be categorized into projects, subjects, or other when creating a new tag. Tags will be stored so commonly used projects, subjects, or other tags can be reapplied quickly. When reviewing data within the database structure, trials can be filtered by these tags, allowing grouped project or subject data to be easily viewed or exported. Trial data can also be filtered by the date range of when the data was collected between. Trial data can also be searched for by entering the specific trial name from within the lookup field. To remove any filters from the database, select Reset and all the available data will be visible. Trial data is, by default, listed in order of date within the most recently collected trial listed first, but can be reordered by selecting the column header. Trials can also be viewed in order of collection length or trial name. The whole database of trials can also be exported by selecting the Backup Database option within the Export drop-down menu. This will create a single .delsys file containing all the database files that can then be imported to Trigno Discover by a different user for easy collaboration between users on a project. For more information on advanced data export options, please view the data export video in this series. Other databases and individual files can be imported and merged into the open database by using the Import File options within the Import drop-down menu. Only .delsys and .shpf files can be imported into Trigno Discover. Metadata from imported data, including file properties and tags, will carry over into the database structure. Tags can be edited by selecting the Edit Tags button. There is the option to add a new tag which can later be applied to new or existing data. By selecting existing tags, the option is available to delete the tag or to edit the name and categorization. Select the edit icon to rename or change the type. Press save and these edits will automatically be applied to all the trials the tag had previously been applied to. To watch the next video in the Trigno Discover Getting Started series, click here. For additional information and assistance, visit delsis.com/support. And be sure to connect with us on our socials.